I've really cried because I near Casse. Me who say a time will be, but me who find that. Yeah, my boy, I real. But my son, I can say, Yame, Unumobia Kumum. Se wunya ebejani bibia oye obejani bibia oye onu oba so oba be support oba be boa wejani bibia ne yire ne ma ofie etu ka ne nya ka accident anka ye wu nkwase ewuo he de nyame hira no e ma mu nkan na de bia nyame hira obi biara ntumi nse no obi enim obi fie ena obi enim bebi obi free nyame hira mo amunnim asem na amoka nyame nya mo kese mema nyame ma sa asem ne bi ntumu da nyame mie kwan ma mo obi onim asem ne mo obebie na no no kan kwase asem no misiri hira na ema mo mobo the way am we Stonebwoy Ghana mobo yes I ya rehuo ai na nakoma ben no eno na obi eka na nakoma ben no onye jimifo munim se nakoma ben ni na de bia mo pia no Ghana for mo de hia ni Stonebwoy wa kwari Ghana ko so bebre wa peja ye kuro we akoso se de Stonebwoy wanya de a meme jina na nemu apamu nyina macho monfa nche no but emom reception ayede ma ayen no I pray say yemfa bi ma obia wunyo bia kwa wa wiasem you don't deserve that reception and the treatment but the American say Ghana for monfa nche yen the way amomo ma ade na ye gidigidi ade ne kwa nye gidigidi sa I was there enye gidigidi sa the way social media ebimu kasa na ebimu ye enye gidigidi sa na mo ya de ma nipa re hododo mo ya de ma nipa re hododo mo so mo ye artist o de ye mu nya mo de no e ma mo fa nya obi me nko ashama to the world da e ma mi hu se artist bia complain da I saw it coming. And when I was telling a brother, let's go home, somebody say, Ayisha, sa programs with your son, ya botre, near maybe say be a set up. You do what we are somewhere come for, dear Sakodia, ye, Jumani, ye, Sakaya, dear Jumani, ye. Me, best opportunity, you ain't better than me, Bonah. Ghana for one fan check. Because program near quite me come me bufu since Stonebwoy anymore. Me bufu since Stonebwoy anymore. Because of the way I was even treated. I'm not a star like Stone. Me a casta come come. Me woman. But me cry me bufu ye. It's a some say treatment, you know, there is more to it. Munjai by bites and namun ka semini free baby a free namun from the sea baby a semudisi. Se Stonebwoy na 1 year. Ye pagana for a child. Or Munfan chain.
In Ghana, go by the name Stonebwoy. Yeah, you know, a few days ago at the recording of my own brother's event, Sarkodie, the Black Love concert, you know, we all went out there to show love. You know, we're all in high spirit to make sure he continues to achieve greatness. There was a little misunderstanding between, you know, Angelo and I, his manager. And I want to use this opportunity to apologize again and say a very big sorry to Angelo, my guy, and an extension of that goes to Sarkodie himself. There were no guns, there were no knives at the incident, and nobody sent nobody to go and attack anybody, I beg. So kindly don't you believe anything that you hear online or on social media and all these things, please. We have to live in love, we have to continue to support one another. We have to make sure we have a peaceful environment so we can all thrive in and grow.
Me say, Stonebwoy. Ahoya e wo boy ni mu no. Sometimes me to be bisa ne sa den. Ye call sa akode program. First, ye call sa akode program. Na ye ko see ho no. Na angel because that time na wakwa adeba yo aba. And of friend me say big sis who feel am say I know so me fa adeba yo na eba wo. Na sa akode kra ma me invitation show ne ye ne. And I'm say okay. And also say so na ya ma yen kwen. And I'm say okay. And I'm dress and obe fa me wo fie. And ye koi. Any ne brass alasi mu and ye koi. Ye ko show na ase no. Na sa time afi na underground artists ne perform. And a band say angel PA and the angel catcher say yembra inside. Na yembe pe baby ntina. And a stone so de bi. Yen you na ye pese tina kai no kakra gem frama. And angel see you. Inti stone wa no self say nko friend angel mbra. And also time then obe perform your person na so pese bi o smoky and o come round kakra wako. And angel see you. Sa akode ahyehe line na management na hyehe na because so no ye big artist ni no omo pesa nko no perform wi a na sa ka perform na nko mo apon sa eno see you ate one see you ne angel you took car aba and you took car into ye two car no ye kokoko round and ye ko parki baby ni nyina me won videos ne pictures ni nyina me abi posti and ye gina woni ye di nkomo into ye didi nkomo a and e ba ni say ye te say Shatta wale na book bag bright ho and o say and I say Shatta wale abahana afi ade a ye say ye di bedi agro na afi na Stonebwoy afa ne pesta no afa ne say oni Shatta wale ase bibia anya ne dia nti eno two ka no ene yetene mu ne ye bai nti ye ba bedru ye no ena o say ye ko frɛ angel ma no ena mo ko frɛ angel bai nti angel bai angel bedru door na no angel ni bo Jamiti ya no Stonebwoy bonini and angel yes I say he wasn't expecting the blow. Ghana for muntie me. Membo bi anya san kwase mistake we are me ye ne da. Angel wasn't expecting the blow. Nti I say e wonu mana moja. So na Stonebwoy was attacking him okubie do no. E wana me fa ho na me beso no me asa me pese asa na bloggers no wo ho me si me to form me hwe na me nsa we ahye ne num na me hye no so kai na de ne hye na me bo no ansana oja angel mu nti angel was like oh but Stone what I do you oh but Stone me and you know but because he was shocked what bitterness and kwande wo mu nti a what say Shatta wale performing no I say to me who boni be a kwashe boy ne mu that day ni me suye nti sakode pie ye sakode pie ba ye no and sakode say oh Stone who be say me show oh Stone because I feel na crowd ni nyina so mo hwe show no be about bag e chire because there was chaos bloggers ni nyina na feel no be a be chire and I be chin no me say koka nim afi na me su and okotena aka nim and I be so angel mu and the angel say hey Stone it be me where you do me like that Stone what I do you Stone oh me ma bani wa ba be kasa makatra will say after you sakode inten call perform we are na ka wo akọ and I me say after na bloggers ni approach after na and I say tuka ni mfria nti sakode was upset sack what's up hey me kwa stop snobbe me that day no but me say ni pains na say because wakose odina koma bonini or tanya woma Shatta wale nti ye kone opaki baby na me born say Adena, we are you. And I'm saying, what's happening? Who bonny baby? What is wrong with you? Stone, my book, our sad news way or Chinebeji baby. There were bloggers everywhere. Adena, we yes, sir. Must you do that? Adele and say we are say, it be a young cop. Me show no crime, must use and so what says show nana. No says, you crime in him didn't tell me yes or so me. No says means wakasama take. De bia, me ye bibia, me a car who are born me home, and your dog will mammy. Until be a me bibi crime in fin view. Until your baby do feel, ye be do for me 2 to 3 a.m. Now my bread. And I'm afraid Dr. Louisa Eba chain. And I'm a catcher and say, I think say Stonebwoy need a spiritual into so pastor beer. Oh my young contact pastor no. Because Stonebwoy soon in the buy or name. So why shame ye and you kuno. A dear a juma yayi nano or best say no. Or your bar ni yire no. Me require so bad I may be why. Oni nukunu kase no si wo pastor bi no de beto pastor na enim me wa no ba ne be frɛ me say oni pastor na kasa na pastor ne say na yenye fasting na de ne leja family ni nyina ni Stonebwoy busuafo ni nyina ye be ka ye ho bo mu e be ye sa fasting ne mpaebɔ no 5 a.m.
Nemom se o akwantum o abrochire na opese o send sika kɔ momo number so ewo Ghana anase opese o send sika ekɔ bank account bi so ewo Ghana medefo mame kanfo lemfi emao de ntia me kanfo lemfi emao nyina ne se o pay money transfer omo exchange rate ewo soro kese pa eye lemfi na ani gisem kra kese ne se wo Europe. Now we have first transfer with 50 euros, amount 20 euros cashback. And now we UK. Now your first £50 transfer, amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now you have $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum answer na benya cashback no. Mema remfi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemunso se wa America. Na opese o ship nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. O diane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo fre Box Oak says ya o fro ma woni mra won no mu gina waboboa no o ma be box nyoma ne kama. Na omu dia kɔ Ghana asumdwe mama o. Omu so eni gisem ba ko e kan woni se o fro ma ka kyerem se enam the BonahShow so na o te omu nka. Omu so mprempren na omu beche 10% discount. Nia chat woni se okọ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana abeko Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe ba bia dam asomadwo obepe ba bia ewo 100% security ewo 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese ope ba bia dam asomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say sabi uti ufie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com.